If you're looking for a Resin 3D printer right now, the market is more competitive than ever. New models are arriving with higher resolution screens, smarter automation, faster curing systems, and larger build areas, which sounds great at first, but it also makes buying much harder because many printers now look impressive on paper. The real difference only becomes clear when you compare how they actually handle print consistency, resin management, setup time, monitoring, and long-term convenience. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 Resin 3D printers that stand out for different types of users, whether you print tabletop miniatures, highly detailed display pieces, larger engineering parts, or want a machine that simply saves time and avoids common failures. Some of these printers focus heavily on precision, some are built around speed, and some are designed to make resin printing easier even for beginners. Starting with the strongest all-around choice right now, the ELEGOO Saturn 4 Ultra remains one of the most complete resin printers available because it balances nearly every important category well. It uses a 16K LCD designed for extremely fine detail, which means miniature faces, armor textures, organic curves, and tiny engraved surfaces come out clean with very little visible stepping. That level of detail matters whether you print small gaming miniatures or larger display models where surface quality becomes obvious under paint. What gives this printer a major practical advantage is its smart resin heating system. Instead of relying completely on room temperature, it actively keeps resin close to 30 degrees Celsius, which helps resin flow better and improves layer adhesion. Stable resin temperature often means fewer failed layers, fewer bubbles, and fewer unexpected defects, especially during long print sessions. The AI camera also adds real daily value because it monitors prints in real time and warns you if the build plate is empty or if a model starts warping. Instead of discovering a failed print hours later, you get early feedback while there is still time to react. Combined with built-in chamber lighting, it becomes much easier to monitor progress day or night. The Saturn 4 Ultra also removes one of the most frustrating setup steps through automatic leveling. Instead of repeated manual adjustments, the machine handles leveling automatically, making setup feel much easier for beginners while also reducing small human errors that affect print reliability. On top of that, tilt release technology helps reach print speeds up to 150 mm per hour, which means you get strong detail without waiting excessively long. For overall value, feature balance, and long-term convenience, this is one of the easiest printers to recommend. If your main goal is premium detail above everything else, the Phrozen Sonic Mighty Revo moves further into high-end precision. This printer is clearly aimed at users who care about extremely fine surfaces, where facial details, cloth textures, decorative patterns, and tiny edges need to stay sharp. Its 16K LCD, combined with very fine XY resolution, gives it studio-level detail quality, and what makes it especially impressive is that this detail stays consistent even across a larger build area. You can print larger parts or multiple miniatures together without seeing major quality differences across the plate. Mechanical stability is another major strength here. Dual linear rails and an aluminum frame help reduce vibration during long prints, which matters because tiny movement over many layers can soften detail or introduce subtle distortion. The machine also includes one-touch leveling, resin feeding, and print failure detection, so a lot of routine corrections happen automatically. That improves success rate while reducing wasted material. Another advantage is remote monitoring through the Frozen Go app, which lets you check progress and manage multiple printers without staying beside the machine. For detail-focused creators who want polished output and strong workflow control, this printer stays near the top of the premium category. For larger builds, the UniFormation GK3 stands out because it combines a large print volume with features that reduce everyday hassle. It uses a 16K LCD with fine XY precision, so even though the machine handles larger objects, it still preserves small textures and surface sharpness very well. That larger build area is especially useful for helmets, busts, terrain sections, large figurines, or multiple production parts in one batch. Instead of splitting large projects into mini sections, you get more freedom directly on the build plate. The COB light source system with Fresnel lens design helps keep light distribution even, which improves consistency across the full surface. That matters because uneven exposure often creates subtle quality differences between center and edge placement. The GK3 also uses a reinforced mechanical structure with heavy-duty guides and strong Z-axis support, which helps maintain layer precision during tall prints. Automatic resin heating improves reliability in cooler environments, while built-in conveniences like automatic resin feeding, air purification, rotating display access, drip control, quick-release vat handling, and factory calibration make the machine feel extremely complete. Remote control is also included, allowing live monitoring and time-lapse capture. For anyone focused on larger resin printing with fewer interruptions, this machine offers one of the most convenience-driven designs available. If speed matters most, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro is one of the fastest resin printers currently available. It reaches up to 170 mm per hour with high-speed resin and around 130 mm per hour even with standard resin, which is extremely fast for this category. That speed becomes valuable quickly if you run repeated jobs or larger prints, where saving even 1 hour per project adds up over time. But what makes this printer more impressive is that speed does not come with a major loss in detail. Its 14K LCD still handles small openings, sharp corners, and miniature textures very well. The upgraded Light Turbo 3.0 system improves light control across each layer, helping maintain even exposure despite faster movement. The printer also includes a temperature-controlled resin vat that keeps material stable during long prints, improving consistency. Automatic resin filling and recycling reduce manual work, especially during larger print sessions. Smart detection covers resin level, residue, component connection, failed prints, release film lifespan, and build plate installation, helping reduce common mistakes before they become expensive failures. For users focused on output speed without sacrificing reliability, the M7 Pro is one of the strongest choices. For miniature-focused users who want a compact machine with premium features, the ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra is extremely competitive. Its 7-inch 9K screen creates very high pixel density, which directly benefits miniature printing because tiny sculpt details stay sharper. Facial features, armor lines, weapons, and fine decorative surfaces all benefit from that smaller, denser display. Tilt-release technology again helps reach speeds up to 150 mm per hour, which is unusually fast for a compact printer. Its AI camera monitors print issues in real time, while smart residue detection protects the LCD. Automatic leveling makes setup easier, and Wi-Fi cluster printing allows multiple printers to be managed together. For users focused mainly on miniatures but wanting newer automation features, this machine offers a very strong balance. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS remains one of the most respected miniature-focused printers because it stays highly specialized around small-scale precision. Its 8K screen with strong pixel density still delivers excellent miniature detail, especially for tiny facial contours, engraved patterns, layered armor, and thin accessories. Even though newer printers advertise larger numbers, this machine still performs extremely well because its design fits miniature work perfectly. It also stays beginner-friendly, with manageable setup and wide slicer compatibility through Lychee Slicer and CHITUBOX. Its Z-axis precision helps maintain clean, vertical detail, which matters for thin weapons, narrow supports, and delicate sculpted pieces. For users who mainly print miniatures and want a proven detail-focused machine, it remains highly relevant. Finally, for buyers entering resin printing with a lower budget, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 is one of the most sensible entry choices. It uses a 7-inch 10K screen that delivers surprisingly strong detail for its price range, making it highly capable for miniatures, accessories, and small display parts. Its Light Turbo light source helps create balanced exposure and smoother surfaces, while the laser-engraved build platform improves adhesion and reduces lifting during prints. The 4-point leveling system is manual but straightforward, and once properly set, usually remains stable. It also supports power loss recovery, which helps protect longer jobs if electricity cuts unexpectedly. It does not include app monitoring, but at this price level, the core print quality remains impressive enough to make it one of the strongest budget options. If your goal is overall balance, the Saturn 4 Ultra still leads. If pure detail matters most, the Sonic Mighty Revo stays extremely strong. For larger builds, the GK3 offers outstanding convenience. For speed, the Photon Mono M7 Pro clearly leads. For miniatures, both the Mars 5 Ultra and Sonic Mini 8KS remain excellent, depending on whether you want newer automation or focused specialization. And for budget buyers, the Photon Mono 4 gives a strong entry point without feeling outdated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more research-based product comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. I'll see you in the next one.